In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use form blocks on Squarespace. First things first, we need to head over to Squarespace. So go ahead and open up your browser and log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials, as this will give you access to all the features you need. Once you're on your homepage, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Click on that and a menu should appear. Within this menu, you'll find a list of websites associated with your account. Go ahead and select the website you want to work on by clicking on it. This will ensure you're editing the right site. Once that's done, click on Pages to view all the pages available on your site. From here, choose the page where you'd like to add your form block. Now, click on the Edit button to access your page in modification mode. In this mode, you'll be able to make all the necessary changes. With your page open for editing, look for the option that says Add Block. Click this option to bring up a list of different blocks you can integrate into your page. Scroll through the options until you find Form. Once you see it, select it. This will insert a form block into your page layout. Now that the form is on your page, you might want to adjust its position for a better visual flow. You can drag and drop the form block to where you'd like it to sit on the page, allowing it to fit seamlessly with the rest of your content. A pencil icon will appear on the upper part of your form block. Go ahead and click this icon to access the form's settings. This brings you to the Design tab. Here, you have the flexibility to change the look and feel of your form. You can tweak the colors, fonts, and any other design elements to match your website's theme and style. Once you're satisfied with the design, switch over to the Content tab. This is where you can edit the form fields to suit your needs. Click on Add Field to customize your form further. You'll be presented with a variety of field types to choose from, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, or radio buttons. Don't forget, you can also customize the message your visitors will receive after they submit the form. This post-submit message can be edited to convey a friendly message or vital information, guiding your visitors on what to expect next. Feel free to explore other options within the form settings to ensure everything is set up just right for your website's visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add and customize form blocks on Squarespace, enhancing interaction on your website. Thank you for watching and happy site building.